Pleasant face. When you practice this one, you should have pleasant face. Am I right? That is very important. We are not by hearting. We are expressing. Am I right? We are not by hearting the sentences. We are expressing the sentences. You should have pleasant face always, because when you go to speak with the people, automatically they will attract you, because smile is a universal language. Smile is a universal language. If you don't know the language, just keep a smile and just ask them. Automatically you will understand the language. Okay, that is very important. When you speak English, always keep a smile face. Okay, the next one, happy mind. What is? Yeah. Okay, I'm ready. Yeah. This. No. Don't do like that. Happy mind should be there while you're practicing. Today onwards, because last week we have been experiencing, yes or no? Then you didn't have that much concentration because you focused only the words and all, right? Sentences. But today, emotionally you have to connect. This week we are concentrating, emotionally we have to connect with English. Yes or no? When you have a baby, you are connecting, yes or no, emotionally. You are thinking about your baby sometime when you are sitting here. Am I right? Yeah. Mothers, they know when you have some problem, when you are far away from this country. She knows. She can understand you have some problems. That's connecting with the mind, yes or no? Attachment. Sometimes your father doesn't feel that, but your mother can feel. Her sense is entirely different than everybody. What is the first one? Pleasant face while you're practicing. I'll tell you only today this one. Today onwards you have to keep these principles, right? The second one, happy mind. You are receiving a guest to make you extraordinary. You are going to receive a guest who is making you extraordinary, right? You have to give a place in your heart till our last breath. Am I right? Okay. The next one is that emotional voice modulation. When you say sorry, that sorry emotion should come. Am I right? When you say hate emotion should come. When you say power emotion should come. Without emotional connection, language won't come to your heart. It won't come to your heart. But emotional connection, language will come to your heart. You never forget it. Flabbergasted. You never forget it, I promise you. Yeah, of course. That means you must have emotional voice modulation. Am I right? And next one, your great body language. You must try. You must study when you are speaking English. Your body should come. First you feel artificiality, but the second one, it will be normal. It will be normal of your body. Okay? I would like to share only this one. Pleasant face, happy mind, emotional voice modulation, body language. These are the things should come all together while you are speaking a sentence.